Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable popovers and tooltips in Bootstrap previews. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To disable popovers and tooltips in Bootstrap previews, start by accessing your project files. Locate the HTML file where your Bootstrap component is implemented. Open the file in your preferred code editor. Identify the section of the code where the popovers or tooltips are defined. If you have initialized tooltips, look for the line that contains $data toggle equals tooltip.tooltip. To disable the tooltips, you can either remove this line or comment it out. Next, check for any popover initializations in your code. This may look like $data toggle equals popover.popover. Similar to tooltips, you can comment this line out or remove it entirely. If you want to disable only specific elements, make sure to target those accurately. Alter the respective HTML elements by removing the data attributes. For popovers, remove data toggle equals popover from the element. For tooltips, remove data toggle equals tooltip from the element. Once you have made these changes, save your HTML file. Next, refresh your browser to see the changes in effect. If you use JavaScript to initialize tooltips or popovers, ensure you handle those accordingly. You may want to test the functionality to confirm that popovers and tooltips no longer appear. If they still show up, double-check your code for any missed initializations. Once confirmed, your Bootstrap preview should now be free from popovers and tooltips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.